And welcome back. Today, America honors the men and women who so bravely serve our country. Mark Martin recently spoke with one man who's using his business to help them for free on this Veterans Day.
Most of us would agree that we can never do too much to pay back our veterans for all they've done for our country. Clint Phillips would agree, and he's offering free virtual care for veterans on Veterans Day. He joins us now to explain. Clint, welcome.
Thank you, Mark. Great to be with you.
Yeah, great to have you. Tell us about this program for veterans called Operation 1111. What kind of care can they receive?
It's an incredible opportunity for a veteran to not even have to leave their home and be able to consult with a primary care doctor, a dermatologist, a psychiatrist, an orthopedic doctor, and a few other specialties depending on the needs of the veteran. And it's all done by text or video with somebody who greatly appreciates the service that the veterans have provided for this country.
Tell us about how the idea came about.
I've been in healthcare for quite a while. I was thrown into what we do when my little girl had a stroke when she was born 10 years ago. That led us to start a second opinion company, and we realized that most people cannot travel to Boston or to New York to be able to get a second opinion from a top doctor, and wait times were often months and months. We experienced a 7-month waiting list to get to the right doctor for our daughter. So we started a company called Second MD, and that solves complex medical problems by getting you a second opinion with the best doctor in the country for your condition. And that's become a really big business that helps about 10 million people now. But we launched a new app called Medici that allowed for people to simply text with their doctor, their veterinarian, their psychologist, their dietitian, their nurse, depending on who they had in their medical world. And we thought, we've spent millions and millions building this incredible communication app. Who could we really deliver life-impacting change for? And our team sat around for a day, and they came out and they said, what if we did this? We offered free healthcare for every veteran in America, that these guys and girls would be able to get a level of concierge access that was, they'd only dream of being able to get.
How do you see this helping veterans? You talked a little bit about that, but talk a little bit more, since many receive their care through veterans hospitals. Is this going to be a little bit tough to get vets to buy into this?
Veterans are often having to wait weeks to have a simple consultation with the doctor. So we hope that we could maybe clear the VA backlog in a day. People who've been waiting weeks to get a prescription, to get a referral, to be able to understand their condition and be able to get some insights. To be able to do that in one day and maybe clear a lot of the backlog to allow the veterans who need to go in to the VA to do that, we think is an incredible opportunity for those who are either waiting for care or those who are not sure about what next steps to be able to do, to have a trustworthy, independent physician who's willing to provide you great care for free. We hope we'll have a lot of impact at various levels, whether you're getting care from the VA or you have private insurance or you're not sure what to do.
How can vets participate?
Veterans can go to medici.md/veterans, and they can register, tell us a quick little thing about who you are. It takes about 30 seconds, and we will assign you a time for you to get help from the appropriate doctor or specialist on Veterans Day 11/11, Operation 11/11.
All right, Clint Phillips with Medici and Second MD. Thanks for what you're doing to help our vets, Clint.
Thank you for spreading the word with us.